So in this lesson, we are going to learn how to add audio in our HTML. So before that, let me just show you on our current page, we don't have an audio, but on our reference page, the one which we are creating, we have like a nice pretty audio bar over there. And that is exactly what we're going to create. So let me just play this once.
I am riding that really thin line between telling my friends how much I love them and being concerned I might be love bombing. I am riding that really thin line between telling my friends how much I love them and being concerned I might be love bombing.
So this is just a very random voice note which I found of a girl. And that's what I'm using it for Eliza Sokolov's audio intro. So yeah, let's go to our page and let's start coding our audio bar onto our HTML. So to add audio, we use the audio element. So what we are going to do is we are going to create the audio tag and close it with another audio tag. So once you're done with that, what we are going to create is we are going to add an attribute, the source attribute. And in that attribute, as the source says, we are going to add the file path to where the audio file exists in our folder. So out here first, there is a folder called audio intro. And inside the audio intro folder, we have the audio intro.mp3 file, which we are going to use for our audio. But upon adding that, nothing really changes on our page. And why is that? So whenever you are adding an audio element, you also need to add another attribute called controls. So only when you add controls is when you will start seeing the controls tab on our page, HTML page. So here we go. So there we have added controls, and now we see a nice pretty control bar over here, an audio control bar. And I'm just going to play this real quick.
I am riding that really thin line between telling my friends how much I love them and being concerned I might be love bombing.
So there we have it. We have officially added an audio file to our HTML page. And yeah, I think it looks pretty good.